Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you how to install Jira Datacenter into your AWS environment with the Quick Start configuration option. First of all, search for Quick Starts in Google, and once you're there you can search for Atlassian, and as you can see you will have plenty of options. We're going to start with the Jira product and then select how to deploy. Once we are there, we are going to install it in a Atlassian standard infrastructure. The template comes ready with all the information. We're going to choose a product, the version. We have to put additional data like the SSH key for the connection, the database password for Postgres, and the application user database password. And once we have that, we have to make the instance publicly available, or you can choose your IP address, whatever you want, the availability zone, and the SSH key pair name, which I put it above, but I have to replace the box. Once we have everything there, we're going to review all the data that we have put it there. So after that we will have to choose next and then check the default settings. We won't change anything. Once it's done, Atlassian will create the template in AWS. So all the data seems to be correct, and then we will check the acknowledge box and then create stack. And this process will create and install the data center into AWS with the necessary configuration like the load balancer. It will create the URL, which will be publicly available. It will create a EC2 machine as well, and this process is going to take around 50 minutes. And as you can see on the right corner, we have a refresh box. So this will take a little bit. As you can see, the stack is creating and it shows us create complete or create in progress. As I mentioned before, it will take a little while, so we will check it meanwhile every time with the refresh box. Once it's done, we have to go up and then check the outbox, where we will be seeing the URL, how we can access the machine, and with the SSH key that we have created previously. As you can see, the stack is installed, server's URL is available, and we will open it in a new window, and I can see the application, the load balancer URL and everything. So Jira software is installed. It will ask for me to generate a trial license. I'm gonna put the Jira Software Datacenter license and install it there, and then click for the confirmation button. Once it's done, it will ask me for my details: name, email address, username for the application, and the password. So we want to configure email notifications for now, and then click for finish. choose the default language as English. You can choose an avatar and then skip with the import issue function and terminate the installation. As you can see, we have successfully installed and deployed Datacenter into our AWS environment with using the quick start image. Thanks for watching.